Hi. Hey guys, so I am doing this first date makeup look. I would have added a bit more foundation on my right cheek. As you can see, it's a little bit red. So I just spray some hyaluronic spray and then fan it. The name of it will be down below. It's Makeup Revolution. And then I'm using a Becca primer that is all about hydrating and refreshing. I really enjoyed this. I felt that it made the products lay very nicely on my skin. I'm using the Hydrating Bowing Concealer by Benefit. I'm not really sure is this a regular product? Because I don't know. I got it in a set one time, and I don't know if it's a standard product for them. So, and then I go ahead and I set my under eye, because obviously we don't want any creasing, and we don't want it to, oh, and that's what I used for my eyeshadow, was my face powder. That was all I used. And we want to make sure that the under eyes is a bit brighter. And then I'm just taking my powder and going around some of the areas on my face that get red. My nose, my cheeks, my chin. I would have put more on my right cheek of the liquid and the powder. However, I didn't, so what the fuck ever. I did want to mention as well, too, that it was very important for me to not cover my freckles with this. With the first date, I want a guy to know what he's going to be waking up beside, if it goes there. And I don't want him to see like perfect skin, and then when I take my makeup off, have freckles, you know what I mean? So I want him to be able to see that. So I'm doing really sheer layers of concealer and foundation and powder, very sheer and very hydrating products, so that it is a nice natural look. And then I'm using some Coty Airspun to set everything, because I sweat when I drink, and normally I would have 1 or 2 drinks to loosen up on a first date. So that's why I'm using the Coty Airspun. And just setting that all over. Do you guys like my mirror? I did this one myself too. I've been bedazzling everything in my fucking room, from my makeup organizers to makeup to mirrors. I have a wall of bedazzled mirrors now. Anyway, this is a black eyeliner pencil on the lash line and in the tight line. And I'm just continuously blending it out, because this is just something to blend the lashes. This is not something that's going to be a focal point of this look by any means. So I'm just finishing that up, and then at some point I do go ahead and put a very, oh, this is another thing I wanted to talk about. I get a red line around the perimeter of my eye, like redness around my eye. I think it's because I have really cool skin and it's very pink toned. I'm not sure. But with that, I like to use my face powder on that red line for some added coverage. So just spraying it on again, fanning it dry, and then I'm adding in some Fenty How Many Carats highlighter. I would have probably opted out of this and just did, because this is more of like a, I guess, glittery, maybe? It's a really cool product. I love and adore it. I really, really do. I just think for this, I wanted to go with something different. So I went with Flexitarian by Colourpop. Both are excellent highlights, but you'll see in the end. And then I'm using the Pillowtalk Lip Liner by Charlotte Tilbury. I love this. This is like the exact same color as my lips, and this is the type of thing that makes me want to get my lips tattooed. Because I think like, oh my god, they could be so perfect with the color. And because when you get lip filler, your lip border starts to kind of not be as defined. So anyway, then I'm using Birthday Suit and then Skin Tight Lip Ammo by Jeffree Star. And I will put Fenty Beauty Fussy Gloss Bomb on at the end of it. I just wanted to do that once I have my hair on. And then I'm curling my lashes, applying Benefit Roller Lash, and some lashes. And then I'm done. It's pretty easy. I really like the Benefit Roller Lash, and then I go ahead and I go over that right here with the Makeup Revolution Renaissance Eyeliner, I think it's called. I don't remember. The name will be down below, of course. Hope you've all been doing well. I've been feeling lonely and unlovable lately. I want to fall in love. I think it'd be so beautiful, but I'm not going to dwell on it. I just want to share my life with a man, and that's what inspired me to do this first date, because I have a couple first dates coming up. So you always got to keep your options open, sis. You never schedule a first date with one dude. You gotta have multiple options. And this is when I'm doing Flexitarian. I love the sound of a good old fan crack, but I wanted to turn this down, the lighting down, so you could kind of see what I mean about the freckles and the fresh look to the face. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!